Hey everyone, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. This is the Gundam RX-78-2 Full Suit Build Series Part 3. We'll do things a little bit different this time because last time I would start welding all the seams together to make it stronger, but this time I'm going to go ahead and start putting the belts and buckles on just to make sure that it actually fits before I do all of the welding, because the welding takes a long time to do. Now I'm just going to take my buckles and straps and glue a strap here and on here. Then also one strap here and one strap here for the shoulder. And I'll do the same for the front. Let's get adding these straps. So I have the straps and buckles on, so now I'm going to test to see if it works. Hopefully it does, and I won't have to reprint the entire chest back and back again. So here we go. Alright, not too bad. It's a little pokey in some spots. I gotta cut the pokey parts off because it doesn't feel that great being jabbed in the side constantly. But overall I got it scaled pretty well, but I know my mobility is going to drop once I get the shoulders and the arms on, because with my shiny Gundam I was able to get my arms maybe about this. I couldn't even put my helmet on or off. So now I'm going to go ahead and start adding the straps for the shoulders, and once I get done, then I'll get a better idea of how everything fits. Let's keep going. Alright, after a lot of trial and error, I finally got the shoulders on, so now we're going to test everything out and see how it fits. I'm hoping it doesn't get stuck to me at every single spot that's possible. That's why underneath I'll be wearing a morph suit. It makes it a lot easier to put this suit on, so let's give this a shot. Here we go. Not too bad. It fits pretty well. Keeps dipping. I guess that's okay. But yeah, there you go. I got it, and it looks really nice. But yeah, there's definitely some spots in the back where I gotta cut out because it's not sitting flush. There, now I got it. I got some inside parts that I need to cut out because it makes it a little difficult to maneuver around. Alright, now we're going to work on adding the strap to the shoulders, to the bicep. And what I use heavy duty lanyards just so the part can spring back up, and it makes it a lot easier trying to put the suit on. So let's get adding those straps. I've got a majority of the belts and buckles on the suit. Now what I have to do is I have to find a way to cut this up a little bit so I can make it a little bit wider, because as it is right now, I cannot put it on. And the only other issue is that I cannot rescale this part only, because then I would have to rescale all the other parts that go with it, just because of these notches that are here would go to the corresponding spot. So what I need to do is cut it like right here and right here to make it wider left or right, but then I also have to cut it here and here to make it wider front to back. So that's going to take a little while. I'm going to do that off camera because I don't think anybody's going to want to see me try and struggle to get this thing together. So I will keep working on it. So I have all the straps and buckles attached to the suit, and I also added in some Velcro straps on the backs of the shins, because when I first printed this I wasn't able to put my foot all the way through because it was like very narrow, and I did not want to have to reprint the entire shin / knee again because that's a lot of filming. So what I did is I took my panel scriber and I used that to cut this here. And then I just attach some Velcro straps on the inside just to hold it in place, so that way when I put my foot through, I'll have a little bit of give, so that way it'll give me space to get into there. And for the other one, I used my soldering iron. I don't know if I should have used that because now it's got a much bigger gap, but you're not really going to see it because it's in the back, because here's the front. And this is already heavy, and like I said, I didn't want to reprint it because there's going to be a lot of parts that I would have to reprint, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts for each shin part to be printed. Right, so that's it for this video. The next video is going to be trying on the entire suit to make sure that it actually fits before I go ahead and start doing the seam welding and also making the suit smooth. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and also don't forget to hit the thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. Thank you for watching.